In this video, I will show you a few different things that you can do if your Samsung Smart TV is not turning on. Also, what to do if, for example, you can still maybe hear some sound coming from the TV, but there is no picture on the TV. So first, you obviously want to verify that you have basically good power supply to your TV. If you have plugged in a power strip, you can simply plug in any other device to it and verify that it's working, so if it's not power. Another thing to check is the power plug on the bottom of the TV. So if you especially have moved your maybe TV recently, these can undo very easily. So what you want to do, maybe you can unplug it and plug it back in properly. Also, when you insert this power plug, obviously make sure it goes in all the way in. So again, if it's a bit loose, if it's not in all the way, it simply won't be able to properly power the TV. And the next thing that you can try is you can simply try to turn on your TV using the power button on the TV itself. So not the remote control, but I see. So on the bottom of the TV, under Samsung logo, you have these tiny buttons that you can press inside. Also, I see you have this LED indicator light, so see if that's actually shining. If it's not, there is some obviously issue with some power supply to your TV. But yeah, if it's shining, try to simply press this button and the TV obviously should turn on. And if your TV is not also turning on with a manual power button here, then also you can try to power cycle it. So the way we do it, so we simply need to reset the TV completely and discharge all its energy inside. So we simply plug it out of electricity, so the lead. And again, you want to use this button. So with it out of power, you simply press and hold this button for roughly a minute. It will essentially discharge all the static energy inside the TV and will power cycle and reset it as well. So yeah, you hold this power button for roughly a minute and then you plug it back in and see if your TV now works. And then one more thing that you definitely should try, especially also if maybe there is no picture on the TV, but you can still maybe hear sound. What you want to do, you simply want to disconnect everything from the back of your TV. So if you have something connected to the HDMI, to the USB, you simply want to disconnect everything. And then, you also want to power cycle the TV again. Plug it out of electricity and hold that power button for, again, like a minute. And see if it starts working after that. And the last thing that you can check is if your backlight is working or not on your TV. So maybe when you actually try to turn on your TV, it actually is on, just the backlight maybe is broken on your TV. Especially also maybe if you start to press any buttons, maybe you still hear some sound coming from the TV. So if that's the case, then the most common issue is your backlight simply might be broken on your TV. What you can do is you can take a super strong flashlight and you want to simply shine at the screen and see if you can actually see anything on the screen. So if the backlight is broken, essentially it will be so incredibly dim that you almost won't be able to see it. But if you take a strong flashlight, you might see that the TV is still displaying some picture under a very strong light. So if that's the case, unfortunately it's a very, very expensive repair in that case. Most people just get a new TV, I guess. But yeah, in most cases, if you simply power cycle it and remove the all the accessories from the back of it, your TV should work. Okay, good luck.